students, today we are going to solve the remaining parts of the question number 1 of the exercise 4.3. In this question, we have to draw the graph of the given linear equation in two variables. So your third part is, your given equation is y is equal to 3x. Okay, you have to draw the graph of this equation, meaning you have to represent this linear equation on the graph paper. So to draw give any equation on the graph paper, first of all you have to find its minimum 3 solution. Okay, you have to find its minimum 3 solution. So to find the solution, our given equation is y is equal to 3x. So first of all we write the given equation in the form of the either x is equal to or either y is equal to. Okay, so given equation is already written in the form of y is equal to 3x. Okay, to simply substitute the values of the variable which is on your right side. On your right side, the given variable is x. Okay, अगर आपकी इक्वेशन आती y माइनस 3x इज इक्वल टू 0, तो सबसे पहले हमने इसको लिखना था y इज इक्वल टू या x इज इक्वल टू. तो यहाँ इजी आता y इज इक्वल टू ट्रांसपोज 3x टू द राइट साइड. ओके, 3x. लेकिन यहाँ पे आपको ऑलरेडी इस फॉर्म में दिया है, तो वी सिंपली सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ द वेरिएबल ऑन द विच इज़ ऑन द राइट साइड. जो आपकी राइट साइड में वेरिएबल, उसकी वैल्यू आपने अपनी तरफ से सब्स्टिट्यूट करनी है. तो सबसे पहले इफ वी पुट x इज इक्वल टू 0, वी गेट y इज इक्वल टू 0. देन सब्स्टिट्यूट x इज इक्वल टू 1, वी गेट y इज इक्वल टू 3. ओके, व्हेन वी सब्स्टिट्यूट x इज इक्वल टू 2, so we get y is equal to, substitute x is equal to 2, we get y is equal to 6. Okay, so write the given solution in the tabular form. When x is 0, y is 0. When x is 1, y is 3. When x is 2, y is 6. Okay, so we have these three solution. Now these 3 points represent the points of the given equation. Okay, so we have these 3 points. Let us first point A, 0, 0, coordinates of the point is 0, 0, B is 1, 3, and C is 2, 6. Now next step is to represent these 3 points on the Cartesian plane. So to draw any point in the Cartesian plane, first of all draw the x-axis and y-axis in a Cartesian plane. We get the 4 quadrants. Now locate the position of the point in your Cartesian plane. So first point is 0, 0. Now A 0, 0 lies at the origin. Okay, so we represent A at the origin. Now second point is B 1, 3. Now both are positive. So B point lies in the first quadrant. So x is 1. So we draw a perpendicular line from the x 1. And y is 3. Okay, we draw a perpendicular line from the y at on the x-axis, y-axis from the point 3 in the first quadrant. Where these 2 lines intersect to each other, we get a point B. Now point C is 2, 6. Again both are positive, so C point also lies in your first quadrant. So draw a perpendicular from the x is equal to 2 from point 2. Okay, and y is 6, so draw a perpendicular from the point y is equal to 6 in the first quadrant. Where these 2 lines intersect, we get a point C. Now after this, join the point A, B, C by using a scale. A, B, get a 3 point A, B and C. Now join these point, we get a linear equation. We get a straight line with this straight line represents your linear equation to variable. Okay, so we write here the linear equation on the line that is y is equal to 3x. So that's how we can represent any linear equation of two variable on the graph paper that is in a Cartesian plane. Now look at the last part of the question number 1. Given equation is 3 is equal to 2x plus y. So we simply write this equation, 2x plus y is equal to 3. Now we write the given equation either x is equal to or either y is equal to. So there is simple, you have to write the y is equal to 3 minus 2x. Transpose 2x to the right side. Okay, Now on the right side the variable is x. So substitute the value of the variable. First of all, substitute the value of x is equal to 0, we get y3. When we put x is equal to 1, we get y is equal to 1, and when we substitute x is equal to 2, we get y is equal to minus 1. Okay, so these are the 3 points. First is 0 comma 3, that is this point A. Second is 1 comma 1, this is point B, and third is 2 comma minus 1, that is this point C, 2 comma minus 1. Okay, now represent these 3 points in the Cartesian plane. So draw the Cartesian plane, x-axis and y-axis, and locate the position of the given points. When we represent the points, first point is 0 comma 3. Now 0 comma 3, your x coordinate is 0, it means your point lies on your y-axis. Okay, this is point A. Point A lies on y-axis. Second is 1 comma 1, both are positive. X is 1, y is also 1, it lies in the first quadrant, that is point B. And third is 2 comma minus 1. Now x is positive and y is negative. X positive and y negative lies in your fourth quadrant. Okay, so draw the two x is equal to 2. Draw perpendicular from the point x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. Draw a perpendicular line from the minus 1 in your fourth quadrant, where these two lines intersect. That point is called point C. Okay, so we get the three. We locate the point A, B, and point C. Now join these 3 points, we get a straight line. Now this straight line will represent your linear equation, that is 3 is equal to 2x plus y. So that's how we can represent any equation in the Cartesian plane. First of all, you have to find its 3 solutions and represent these 3 solutions in your Cartesian plane. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.